So unazungusha hiyo kama mara 3 kwa siku ama mara 2. Unazungusha asubuhi na jioni ama asubuhi saa 7 na saa 10 hapo hivyo.
Before the first flame is ever lit, the system must be understood. Before gas can rise, the mixture must be right. And before energy reaches the kitchen, a school must believe in something new. This is the story of St. Augustine Mixed Secondary School in Naro Moru, Laikipia County. Here, over 400 students and staff rely on firewood to prepare daily meals. For years, the school has consumed approximately 7 tons of firewood per term, costing nearly 175,000 Kenyan shillings each time. Heavy fuel costs, smoke-filled kitchens, constant pressure on surrounding forests. But that is about to change. Today, the T-Rex M200 biogas system arrives, designed for institutions with high energy demand. To begin installation, the ground is completely leveled. A strong foundation is essential. The T-Rex M200 is installed as 2 100 cubic meter modules, built to convert organic waste into clean, renewable energy. Slowly, the T-Rex rises, 2 powerful digesters standing side by side. Students gather nearby, watching closely. For many of them, this is the first time witnessing renewable energy infrastructure being built within their own school. Each digester is filled with approximately 50,000 liters of water. Pipelines are laid, connecting the system directly to the kitchen. Inside that kitchen, firewood still burns. Large pots sit over smoky flames. But nearby, 50-kilogram githeri pots wait, ready to replace the old way of cooking. Now, the system must be activated. 5 tons of fresh cow dung are introduced into each module. The slurry must be mixed carefully. Philip trains the staff, guiding them on how to achieve the correct texture. Not too thin, not too thick, because precision determines performance. The staff learn how to feed the system, monitor it, and maintain it. Sustainability is not just about installing technology. It is about transferring knowledge. Agitators are rotated to mix the slurry, release trapped gases, and maintain even digestion. At first, the staff take the lead. Then, the students step forward. They take turns rotating the steel wheels. Curious, focused, engaged. This is more than participation. It is education beyond the classroom. Waste becoming energy. Science becoming practical. With feeding complete and trained operators in place, gas storage balloons are installed above the digesters. Within 2 to 3 weeks, they will begin to swell as methane accumulates. Commissioning is near. Soon, the first flame will be lit, and when it is, it will represent more than heat. It will represent transformation. Stay tuned and talk to us today.